So this is our website, and I'm going to check the dashboard for common weakness enumeration, and I'm going to use the 3D view, and it looks pretty much the same on the desktop. And the only benefit that Apple Vision Pro provides in this case, besides the obviously huge workspace, is the ability to navigate this visualization in 3D using just your hands. And oh, that's a weird effect. So I'm going to do everything I can with the hands in front of me, and you can see this weird fringe effect. That's not our app, that's Apple's algorithm. And you can actually keep your hands down. They don't need to be in the field of view of the camera that's recording what I'm looking at. But this will be just for illustrations what I'm doing. So if I look at the black space, this space over here, I can grab this space and I can manipulate the overall position of this visualization. And still I need to look at some non-element, this black space, and then I can zoom it in or I can zoom it out, like that, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's select something. I'm going to select initially this element, and I can do this with my just finger. If I click it, I can see what it is. And this visualization is configured to highlight both the element and everything that is connected to this element. And over here you can read what this is, and in this case it's CWE 1329. All the details are available. Just read it. Let me turn on this special mode, which allows me to fix the entities. Like for example, if I want this entity, this one, to be somewhere over here, I can just pin it there. And this one, I'll pin it over here. And let me show you how eye tracking works in this case. It's pretty amazing actually. So I'm going to select this element, this bright sphere over there, but I'm not going to use my hands, my fingers. I'll just look at this element and I'll click on this element with my 2 fingers. How about this one? Okay, not from the first attempt, but still it worked pretty well. How about something in the middle, like this one? Sorry, I just touched the physical space. Okay, and in this case it worked pretty well. And some larger elements like this white donut, they will work even better. So eye tracking, it's amazing given how far away I'm from this element. And what else? If you look at some other visualizations, some other views of CWE, well, still having this huge display kind of helps to navigate the space. And what you just saw, it was me looking not at the black space but at one of the elements. So one thing you need to remember when you're working with the Apple Vision Pro is that whatever you're looking at, that's the thing that will be affected with your hand gestures. And that's something to get used to. So yeah, in the case of this visualization, huge monitor, looks great. Let's take a look at the same thing, but in virtual reality. By default, Apple Vision Pro did not enable WebXR. So this, if you just take it out of the box, it's not going to work like what I'm going to show you. I enabled this experimental API, and I'll go and okay, I'll click this one. So first bug I noticed is that everything in this visualization is tilted 90 degrees. So for example, if I will start moving my head up and down, you can see that the visualization is actually moving left and right. And if I move my head left and right, you'll see it moving up and down. I have no idea why. On desktop it works fine. As you can see at the bottom, it expects me to use mouse or gamepad to manipulate with this visualization the hand tracking. Unfortunately, it's not working with it. But let me switch to the VR mode. Yes, switch to VR. And that's what it looks like. Unlike Quest, unfortunately this view is only 180 degrees, and what I mean by this is if I'll keep walking forward, well, first of all, I cannot get too close. Once I cross the pane of this browser, it disappears gradually. So for example, let me show you this point. So this is where this, by the way, sorry, I'm at Airbnb, so not my stuff. So you can see how it kind of goes from day to night as I'm crossing some kind of threshold in front of the window. Not even the window itself, but some kind of buffer zone in front of it. And if I will go further away from it, then it will disappear again. So I only have some very limited space to look at this visualization, and I have no way for navigating it, unlike in Quest. So something that hopefully Apple will implement in the future. And by clicking the crown, I'll be out of this visualization and back in the real world. Thank you for watching this demo, and if you have questions or interested in working with Craftus or using Craftus data analytics, please DM me on LinkedIn or contact us via our website, craftus.com.